All right, welcome back to the short-term trade setup videos. We are moving into September 4th, 2019, early European session. It should be around 2 a.m. Eastern Standard. And this is the daily chart for the Euro USD that we have been discussing since last 2 days. We didn't bring up an update yesterday, but today it looks like the euro might be just bottoming out in the same lines that we have been discussing since the last week. All right, this is the labeling that I've already done. Let's go through it. After having made lows at 1.13 1300 from 2500 in the past, that was we can put a label here that could be clearly labeled as 5 down, which is capital A. Remember, we are picking up an ABC, that is a 535 movement from 1.2500 levels. So 1300 could be labeled as A clearly, 5 down, 5 waves down. Wave B terminated somewhere over here, probably at 1450. It's written here, wave B, which unfolded as a triangle. You see 5 waves, A, B, C, D, and E, which can be labeled as wave B. Alright, so you've got A, and then you've got B, and are we just heading into or are we just completing wave C? That's the question now. So this could be wave 1, could be wave 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is one probability. The other probability could be this is wave 1, wave 2, 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and 3 of 3. That means we still have a lot more room on the lower side. But we would like to go with the first probability, like the ending diagonal structure, which is looking complete, which might be looking complete. And the last leg expansion has also hit a Fibonacci support. That is the fifth wave, ABC, which is touching around 1.0930. Alright, if we place the rule of equality, or where wave A becomes equal to wave C, then there is a lot more room left on the south side. But let's focus on a probable ending diagonal. If this is correct, if this count holds true, then prices must be heading or looking to head north, and it would confirm after a break of about 1.1250 levels, which is wave 4 labeled here. Even a short-term resistance, if it's taken out at 1162, that would relatively confirm that euro has possibly bottomed out for, if not for a long term, but a medium term at least, where we can see prices rallying back up to the beginning of the diagonal structure, which is at 1450. Alright, so another 500-600 points rally could be possible from here. Another supporting view, if you look at the RSI, Euro USD has produced some kind of divergence here. The RSI, you can see it's at 30 levels right now, and could pick up further. Alright, so we've got an ending diagonal structure potentially complete. We've got an RSI showing at 30, and then we've got Fibonacci extensions being met, And number 4, you can see that there is a pin bar candlestick pattern, which is not certainly a or a confirmed pattern to trade, but it is an indication of a potential trend reversal. It could be telling us a story that yes, there might be a meaningful interim bottom in place, and then prices might rally on the other side. All right, and the extreme bearish sentiment of the Euro USD is also one of the factors that we could consider. Normally, when there are extremes, you can expect turns around. All right, so short-term Euro USD setup looking positive at the moment, and aggressive traders might want to go long against yesterday's lows at 1.0920 levels. All right, that's it for now for the euro. We might be coming up with at least one more trade setup, that is the dollar index, because both of them actually trade opposite, they're exact opposite mirrors of each other. Dollar index has also managed to touch highs. We'll be coming back with that video just in a moment after this. All right, so thank you again for tuning in. If you are watching it for the first time, you might want to subscribe for any updates that we bring in. Usually we bring in at least 2 updates daily. All right, so until the next trade setup, good luck for your trades, and thank you for joining in again. Goodbye.